Hello everyone and welcome. I've done several solar security light reviews in the past, but I always seem to find a new light that catches my attention. This light is self-contained, has a modern, attractive styling, and has several lighting modes to choose from. Also, being a solar security light means you have no wirings to hassle with. Since I'm always looking for new and innovative security lights with cool features, I thought this would make a great security light for some of my viewers. So I decided to do a review of the Seeking LED security light with 800 lumens of adjustable lighting. So let's open this puppy up and take a look at it. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here's a shot of the box for you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And let's open this puppy up. Alright, so this is the 800 lumens solar security light from Seeking LED. Available on Amazon, link in description below. At the making of this video, you can buy this two different ways. You can buy a 1-pack or a 2-pack like this. Now, the 1-pack retails for $12.99. The 2-pack retails for $36.99. It's obvious which one is the better value of those two different choices. And they do have discounts on their Amazon page, so be sure to check that out before you make your purchase. Now, I got the 2-pack because that's what I thought was convenient for me. And what you get in the package is you get the 2 lights, you get the mounting hardware, and you get the owner's manual that has all the specs about the light, how to install it, all that kind of good stuff. And the installation is really quite simple. All you get is these mounting screws to go with it because the mounting bracket is right on the back of the light, as you can see right there. The screws are built in to the housing of the light, so it's very, very easy to install. The light itself only weighs 10 ounces, and the dimensions on this are 8 inches long by 6 inches wide by 1¼ inches up here, or 2 inches down here. So it's very compact, small, easy to put just about anywhere you like. And let me give you some views of the light so you can see it from many different angles, and that way you can see what I mean about it being a very modern, stylish look to it. All you have to do is mount it on the wall, and it faces down exactly where you want to point it. And again, it is waterproof, it is sealed up, it is a very nice unit, and you have your motion detector right there, which I'll talk about in a moment. The light itself only weighs 10 ounces, very, very lightweight, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. The power for the lighting is supplied by a 3.7 volt, 2600 milliamp rechargeable 18650 battery. And one of the cool things about it is that the 18650 battery is replaceable. They already thought about that, and they plan for you to keep this light for a long time. So if your 18650 battery goes bad in the future, all you have to do is open up the housing right here, pop a new one in, and you're ready to go. So I haven't opened it up, but since it does say it is replaceable, I'm assuming it is not soldered in place. It is just like your basic AAA, AA battery. You pop it out, pop a new one in, keep your light going for a long time. Now, the light has 85 SMD 2835 LEDs. You can see it has a big head, 85 LEDs right there. And the SMD 2835 LEDs are supposed to give you 50% better lighting. And it is pretty bright. When I took it out of the box and, just started looking at it and so forth, I tested it and it is pretty darn bright. It puts out 800 lumens of light, anywhere from 3000 to 6000 K, depending on the mode that you select. I'll explain the modes in a moment. It is IP65 water and dust proof, and it has an operating temperature of from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade. So whether it's extremely cold and snowy outside or really hot and blazing, it'll hold up to it, no problem whatsoever. It does have a PIR motion detector, like I said, built in down here, and it has a sensitivity of 120 degrees this way and up to 25 feet. So anything within the scope of 120 degrees, 25 feet away from the light, it should be able to sense it and turn itself on. Now, the cool thing about this light is, like I said, you have different light modes that you can choose from. Most other lights on the market only have one light mode and that's all they have to it. This one, you can choose what is convenient for you. So let me explain them to you. First of all, you can start off with having a dim light all night long. Think about it like moonlight. It'll be a moonlight on whatever area you decide to light up, a dim, soft light all night long. With this functionality, the PIR does not work. It is turned off because the light will stay dim, the same lighting mode all night long, so motion detection is turned off. You can have it go from dim to bright, so you'll have a soft light to light up your area, and when it senses someone coming around it, because PIR doesn't bother itself with animals or leaves or things like that, it senses human activity. So when it notices human activity going on, it'll go from dim to bright. So a dim light senses activity, goes to a bright light. So if you want to have some light all night long, dim light, and then go to bright if there's activity, this is really convenient. Or you can have it like a traditional light where it's off all night long and only turns on bright when it notices activity. So you have those three choices. The fourth mode is you can turn it off completely. So 4 different choices, great different lighting modes that you can pick whatever is convenient for you. You can change it throughout the time, anytime you want. It has a little button right here on the front. This right here is a little button that you select the different light modes. So anytime you want, even when it's mounted, you press the little button right there and you select the different light mode, switch it to whatever suits your mood at that given time. So this light is excellent for lighting up your entryway, your garage entry, walkways, patios, courtyard. You can use it as a fence accent, put it on the fence, light up your fence for accent lighting, wall accent, tree accent, light up your stairways, parking area, commercial lighting, commercial signage, anything like that. You can light up a sign that you have entry into your given area, your business. You can light it up free with this. You don't have to pay a power bill. So it's good for lighting up anything, anywhere, solar powered, no wiring, goes anywhere you want it to go. So let's take a look at how to mount this thing and then we'll put it outside and see how it lights up all day long. Alright, so let's take a look at how easy it is to install these lights. First of all, they come with these little stickers that actually give you little markers to show you where to drill the holes. So I already went through and did that. I put it on there and I drilled the little holes. First, go through and pre-drill it so that way it makes it easier for you to install. If you're installing it on masonry, stucco, brick, anything like that, it has these included little plugs that you will need to use to be able to secure the screw properly. If you're installing it on wood or anything like that, then all you need is the 2 screws that are included, and that's what you need to install it. So we mark the holes, we pre-drill it, let's put the screws in now. Then you line up the holes and install your light. And that's it. Your light is fully installed. Now just press the button down here, select the mode that you want for your lighting, wait till nighttime, and we'll see exactly how it works. And here we are outside. I just set up the light on my chimney there. Like I said, a couple screws, just hook it up real quick and you're ready to go. It's the middle of the day. It's a little bit cloudy, but let's see how it charges up and we'll come back later on at night and see exactly how it works. And here we are a few hours later, and I had it set up to the dim and bright mode. So it's dim right now, and I will move in just a moment, and that way when I get in front of it, you'll see that it will brighten up, and that way you can see how that mode works. And there you see how it brightens up very easily and very quickly, and it's very bright. I mean, look how bright, look how well it lights up everything right there. It's a very bright light. And I'm going to wait for it to turn off in just a moment, and you'll see how as I stand still with no activity, it'll go back to the dim light again for the rest of the time until it senses more activity. There you go. And that's how it looks at night. Alright, there you have it guys, a review and demonstration of the Seeking LED 800 Lumens Modern Style Solar Security Light. I think this is a great security light for the money. It's affordable, compact, self-contained, very modern looking, solar powered so no wires to mess with, and very bright. Plus it gives you several modes of lighting to select from, unlike other security lights. If you want flexibility with your lighting, I suggest you check out this light. Check out their Amazon page for the latest prices and details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.